Hey YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we're back at you with another unboxing. This time we've got the Satin Nike SB Blue Dunk. Shall we go and have a look? Hey YouTube, Mr. B here, and if you're new to this channel and you've made it this far and you don't know what we do here, we tend to do sneaker unboxings, we do the cinematic sneaker on foot things, and every Sunday we stream sneaker streaming Sundays, and that would be at 8 PM UK time. That is 12, not 12%, 12 on the 12 midday, you know, around lunchtime on the West Coast. And if you're on the East Coast there, camera 2, that would probably be about 3 PM in the afternoon on Sunday. So if you're not watching football, come and join us. Anyway, folks, I'd normally speed up about now, but I don't need to because we've got these new fancy boxes from Nike, and I'm going to pull for some freshness. That was a little bit violent, I felt. Did you think that was violent there, Sneaker Cam? I thought I was like a little bit...
Efficient.
Efficient, yes, right. Let's get rid of the paperwork. Nike is sending me less and less paperwork. It's like they know I'm not going to send anything back. There was actually no paperwork in here. So we've got a, let's read this properly. It's a Nike SB Dunk Low TRD Camera 2 traditional NBA. It actually says NBA on it. 11.5, that's a US size. That makes it a UK 10.5 in Nike sizes. And they are deep royal blue. That's what it says. And the code is AR1577446. Okay, so no woodcut paper. Ooh, the standard, ooh, these are the bluest shoes you've ever seen. The bluest shoes. Oh my word. Let's just like blue, blue, blue. Let's get rid of the box. Nobody cares about that. Wow, wow. So first things first, just marvel in the blueness. The blueness of these. I'm getting so many Christmas shoes at the moment, like blue satin. Stroke the satin. They're actually quite strokey. We also get alternate standard Nike SB laces, but in white. Getting a lot of shoes lately with these wax laces, these flat blue laces. I think they've done a really good job of actually matching the color of the laces to the satin. That's the same color. So this is a collaboration with the NBA. Obviously, you know, if you think about it, skate shoes and basketball shoes. Over the years, skaters have used many, many basketball shoes, and I think the Dunk was actually a basketball shoe before it was a skate shoe. So we get this NBA hang tag thing here with the Nike SB there. I think the other nod to the NBA, and let me just loosen these up because as always they come choked at the factory. I'm not going to use this shoe because there's lots of stuff on it. I'm just going to put that casual there like at the front. We're going to get the shoe without all of the tags and the lace bag. And it's nice to see them actually using lace bags. I'm going to get the paper out, get that down there for the dog to play with. There we go. So let's just loosen these off. Really tight factory lacing, so blue. Like this blue is the richest blue you're going to see in ages. There's not a lot really, like the NBA, like these are not skate shoes. First of all, no one's going to skate in these. Just look at it. Look at it. We've got, I'm going to see if I can get the, yep, it's coming everyone. Everyone, as I say, always is screaming at this point. So the inner sole, standard zoom heel unit there. So on there we have obviously the Nike SB NBA. I actually have this jacket, which I could have worn, should have probably worn, as if by magic. So look, that was magic. Speedy change. I got the jacket as well, as I'm sad like that. I actually really like this jacket. Bit of a weird collab, but I really like it. Like this oversized label and stuff. It's pretty epic. So back to the shoe. SJ, can you get in here close on the sneaker cam? I'm going to bring this to you. Okay, so that's the other major signal that this is an NBA collaboration. But that's it. That's it, people. The other really nice thing about this shoe, apart from the quality of the satin, which is kind of crazy actually, it's really nice. The TRD, you all know I love the TRD on the Dunk, that traditional fat tongue. Like I know it's not fashionable anymore, nobody likes the TRD, the fat tongues, but I love them. Like I just drop my feet in there and they just feel like the foot's getting into a nice cozy bed. It just feels really, really nice. So we put those laces back in there. Standard Dunk, every single panel, midsole is this really, really rich blue. The sole is like that as well. I'm just gonna look for some glue marks. There's a tiny little glue mark here, which is on the left shoe, just off at the toe box there. But like, just take a look. I think if you want a satin dunk Nike shoe, this will definitely be the one for you. If you want to skate these, I'd be really interested to see how they last. This material doesn't say durability to me at all. It says like one ollie and you're done. It's really like that. I think you could put and wear these to a party. I reckon you could wear these to a wedding. Actually, if I was going to a wedding, I'd probably wear these. But take a look. Like, I wish I could do like magic and be like, and then just spin it, but I can't because I'm not a magician, even though I did that. This is a really strange unboxing, people. There's not a lot for me to say. You know, do I like the shoe? I do like the shoe. Will I wear it every day? I won't wear it every day. Will I wear it? I will wear it. I'll wear it though for evening events. I probably won't wear this in the daytime. I'm glad it's in the collection. It's a bit out there. It's definitely out there. It gives me another choice when it comes to Christmas holiday type party shoes, what to wear. When everybody wants to wear fancy shoes, I just want to wear sneakers. It allows me to dress it up a little bit. Do I think the NBA and Nike SB collab funny? Or weird? I don't think it's a weird collab. I just think what they chose to do to represent those two sides coming together, I just think was a bit strange. Certainly the satin dunks, and there's two other shoes in the collab. So I think that there's like a pink Bruin, and I think also that there's a white blazer low, which I think are probably more apt for skating. These definitely are not that. Anyway, folks, let me know what you think. I know like some people called out to see if I was gonna get these. I am, I did. It's just, there's not a lot to say. Like, just feast your eyes. Feast your eyes there, Sneaker Cam. Sneaker Cam, speaking to you here. Do you like these? Yep. Do you wish you had a pair? See, I knew that. Right, so we just got SJ on the Janoskis. The next thing that we need to get SJ onto is dunks. Like, she's having an evolution of shoes this year. She's moving away from the blazers into other profiles. I take it all back. She has one pair of dunks from 2013. She needs to get back into the dunks, I think. Let me know, should SJ get back into the dunks? I think she should. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think of the blue dunks, the blue satin dunks. And until next time, everyone, I'll see you later. See ya. I tell you what, this magic flying around the house and just doing it instantly, it's definitely knackering. Boom, shakalak. That's what I say to you.